programming. In today's world, we see a lot of programs written in different languages like C++, Python, Java, etc. The need for a program is to solve a particular problem. As an example, to solve a difficult data analysis problem or simplify a repetitive or a boring task using program. Computers are like personal assistants who take care of things on our behalf. It always asks questions to the end user what to do next. If we knew the language of the computer, then we can reply what to do next. Programs we write can range from solving a simple to a complex problem. As an example, you are reading a document and you would like to know how many times the word Sally repeated in that book. So you can write a simple program to analyze and get the repeated count as output. To run a program, you need hardware, operating system, software programs so that user can write the program, input the code and execute it to get the desired output. If you look into the hardware architecture, you will see the following parts: input and output devices, secondary memory, main memory and central processing unit. The input and output devices are used to interact with the computers. Devices like keyboard, mouse, display monitors, speakers, touchpads comes under the input and output device category. The secondary memory is used to store information. It's slower than the main memory, but the information stored won't erase when the computer is turned off. Example, hard disk or USB storage devices. The main memory is used to store information that CPU needs immediately to process. The main memory is fast like CPU, but the information stored in the main memory will be erased if you turn off the computer. The central processing unit is a part of computer which is built to ask question what is next. If you have a computer with 3 GHz, then the CPU will ask what is next 3 billion times per second. The programmers mostly talk to the CPU and make CPU what to do next. Based on the user request, the CPU will make use of main memory, secondary memory, input-output device or even network. The program is a set of instructions you write in advance and store it on the computer. The one who write those instructions are known as the programmers.